Good evening, students. Today we will be discussing an important topic in how do we organism reproduce. The topic for the day is the beautiful part of a plant, the most beautiful and attractive part of the plant. What it is? Yeah, you will be telling that it is nothing but the flowers. Very good. Right. So what is a flower? Yeah, of course everybody told it is a thing of beauty, especially in Valentine's Day you will be remembering what is the purpose of flower. So the flowers generally symbolizes love, right? And it is actually the symbol of love of sustaining the race in the sense it will help the plant to produce its fruit and seeds. So the flowers are the reproductive organs of the angiosperms. Angiosperms are a group of plants which produce flowers. Okay, today we will be discussing what is flower and what are the major parts of a flower. You can see here a model of a flower is displayed on the board. Okay, you can also try to make a flower also from used material, best out of waste also. Okay, so through this lesson I will be taking you to understand the different parts of a flower. Okay. Then, how to dissect a flower to see the different worlds. You are familiar with, from 7th standard onwards, you are studying about the parts of a flower. So, the major parts of course are, I think it's better to have a look on a flower. So, here I brought a flower for you. Okay. So, this is flower, typical flower, angiosperm flower, which is also known as hibiscus flower. Okay. You can see the flower and you can see the different parts of a flower. Typical hibiscus flower it is. Okay. So, this flower, you can see, it has a green cap-like structure. We will start from the outermost word, W-H-O-R-L. W-H-O-R-L. Whorls. Whorls are nothing but the arrangement of organs in a flower. Whorls. It consists of different layered arrangement. Okay, there are 4 important layers in a flower. So the first one is called the outermost one. As you can see here, it is nothing but the flowers are with green cap. This is called Calyx, the outermost whorl, and just below the calyx you can see the colored portion. You can see the colored portion. This is called the corolla, and here you can see the other important 2 aspects forming together. So here you can see the greenish pollen, grains and anther. Okay, and the stigma. The stigma is also there. So these are the different parts. These are the 4 floral whorls. Okay, if you study in detail the structure and function, calyx, of course, the structure is very simple. It is green in color. What is the function of calyx? Yeah, it helps just like a mother. So when we were born, we were inside our mother's womb. So what the mother provided us? She provided with nourishment, care and everything during our embryonic development. Similarly, the calyx is having a motherly attitude towards all the flowers. It will protect the flower when it is in the bud stage. And it will also perform what is the green color? The function of photosynthesis to help with the food material preparation. So the function of calyx is protection and nutrition of the growing bud. And when it is grown up completely, this calyx will be, sometimes will be remaining, sometimes these 4 floral whorls. If these 4 floral whorls are there in a flower, we call them as complete flowers. So what is a complete flower? So I am writing here, complete flower.